let's move to the next one. That's pen tool. The pen tool helps to make selections or make points, and it connects with lines. This is helpful to make selections. This is really helpful to mask items, and we have several uses with that. But in regular editing, pen tool is not widely used. Then the next one is the text tool or the type tool. I think you don't need a brief explaining about this one. You can select that horizontal text tool. Then you can select the size of the font. Then here you can select the size, font. We have a bunch of fonts available here. Then you can choose the smoothness, then either it's sharp or normal or anything. And also you can choose the alignment here. Then the color, you can select here the color. And the next things, if you want to make it curved, you can select this style that goes arc mode, then arc lower, then arc upper, and we have a bunch of modes available. If you select the arc, it will type, or let's take a look at that. I select the arc mode, then type hello, HELLO. Look at that, it looks like an arc. Then let's change the font to beyond. So look at that, let's decrease the size. Okay, it's an arc type. Let's delete this layer. And also we have another font. We can create a vertical type font, then vertical type mask tool. Then we have 3 more type tools available. Actually, these 2 are not really important. Then the next thing is the anchor points or path selection tool, direct selection tool. This is only applicable for selecting the anchor points or the paths of pen tool or something. Then the next is making shapes. Then we can make a rectangle, rounded rectangle, then ellipse, polygon tool, line tool, and custom shape tool. When you select the rectangle tool, we can drag and make a rectangle. Then we can fill any color inside it. You can choose the properties, open the properties, and change the colors. And you can customize these. Press Ctrl T and change the shape. If you press and hold Shift and Alt, it will resize from the center. If you press Shift only, it changes the shape from a corner in a defined pattern. Okay, I hope you're clear. Then also you can select any other shapes from here, and also we have some custom shape tools available. Then when you select that, from the top you can select a lot of custom shapes. For example, an arrow. If you want to make an arrow, you don't need to draw an image, just select the custom shape tool and select, then drag it or make it like this. In the fill value, in the fill, then just change the color to black or anything. Then you are free to change the size by pressing Ctrl T, and you can change the size. Then the next is the hand tool. So what is hand tool? Hand tool moves the portion of an image that you are currently viewing. So let's click and drag to move. Just move it like this. Okay. Then the next thing is zoom tool. That zoom tool is to zoom in and zoom out. If you press the Alt key, then we can zoom out. Want to zoom in, just zoom in. We can zoom in manually by pressing Control, then plus. Then if you want to zoom out, Control, then minus on keyboards. So I cover everything in the tools panel, and also we can discuss about the colors. That's a set foreground and background colors. The first one is foreground color. The foreground color will be reflected if you make a text or something. Then the background color here you can select. So this is all about the tools and discussions actually. So I hope you're clear. We are moving to the next section. We are winding up. Thank you.